everyone, welcome back to Post Network Academy. In this video, we are diving into how to calculate the variance of a discrete frequency distribution using the assumed mean method. This is a super important topic in statistics, data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. So let's break it down step by step. Before that, we begin, make sure to hit the like button, and if you are super excited to learn something new, and don't forget to subscribe these channels if you are in YouTube. Now, variance helps understand how much the values in the data set are spread out from their average value. In statistics, variance gives us an idea of how scattered our data points are. So, how diversity in the data set or how scattered data points are, you will get the idea from the variance. And in this video, we will calculate variance using an assumed mean method. So, let's get started. So, you can see that the data points exercise and their corresponding frequencies. So Fi is, this represent frequency of each value, and Xi, this is observations. Now see that the sum of all frequencies is 100 will require, because it is in the formula, you can see that. Now first of all, what we will calculate? We will calculate deviation, which is a di. So di is xi minus 23, where 23 is assumed mean. So if you calculate, you will get minus 5, because you will subtract 23 from 18. Second, you will get minus 4, thereafter minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and the other values you will get. Thereafter, we will calculate di square, and you can see that minus 5, if you square it, so you will get 25. If you square minus 4, so you will get 16. And you can see, you can get other values. Now, what will be Fi di? Because you can see that in the formula it will require. That's why we are calculating. So Fi, for the first row, Fi is 3 and di is minus 5. So that would be minus 15. Next, Fi is 7 and di is minus 4. So 28. And you can calculate the same way. And the last column is Fi di square. So we have to also calculate this one. So Fi is 3 and di square is 25, so 75. In the next row, Fi is 7 and di is 16, so you will get 112, and you will get other values, and if you get some Fi di square, so that would be 514. Now let us see the formula and plug all the values. So formula is 1 upon n summation from I is equal to 1 to n Fi di square minus 1 upon n summation over I from 1 to n Fi di whole square. So plug all the values and let us see what would be the value of variance. So if you plug all the values, so variance would be 4.75. So this was that how to calculate variance of a discrete frequency distribution using assumed mean method. Hope you understood, and always I say that variance is very important in statistical analysis, data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. So you should focus, and at basic level you should calculate before diving into the field of data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Hope you have understood what I wanted to say. Thanks for watching the video.